This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you saying, yeah, yeah, yeah.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle. If you are new, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, Carl has set up a sushi making class. So y'all, I'm very excited. If y'all don't know, or if y'all don't follow me on Instagram, I'm always eating some sort of Asian inspired dinner. It is 2:37 and I think the reservations were made for 6 o'clock. So I'm about to make a little bit of tea. I gotta get dressed, you know, do something to my head because as y'all can see, my head is looking crazy. So I'm just gonna bring you guys along this morning or this afternoon and kind of do like a little get ready with me situation, and I will see you guys later on this evening. Bye.
This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you saying, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. One more time.
I'm running late as usual. I'm like never on time to anything, but my thing is, and I be trying to tell people, like, if you're inviting me to something and it's supposed to be at like a certain time, tell me like the wrong time, if that makes sense. So if I think I'm running late, I'm technically not running late. The thing is at 6 o'clock, but they say apparently they want us there 10 minutes early, and I still have a 30-minute drive. Y'all, I'm never on time for shit, so I guess I'll see you guys when I get to my destination.
You got it now, so.
Okay, Carlson on the fit.
I need to tie my shoes in.
Are you excited?
Yeah. I've never done this before, so. Because you are. Wait, you know, I'll do this.
Come on.
Oh. You do something?
You must be working at a restaurant.
Yeah.
So you have a white shirt.
Now, I could not make this any easier for
This
you.
is the most important part of sushi, right?
Well, not really, because I've already got 2 batches working right now in the oven. So, I learned that a long time ago. We had a class, and this dude totally messed it up. Like, used twice as much water as he was supposed to, and they ended up looking like grits and bad. You'll never even know. All right, so when you turn on your burner, turn it counterclockwise till it clicks. Now, all you need to do, your water's already boiling over here. Take your pitcher, and you're gonna take your measuring cup. You're making 1 batch, I've already got 2 batches in, so we're gonna do 3 times on that recipe there.
I probably should have not.
Ooh la la! Got a lot of starch on that rice. Makes these very difficult to clean. Not to mention, you don't want to get them wet. Bamboo, it'll warp. Okay, it'll start to bend. Wrap them in plastic wrap. When you're done, take the plastic wrap off. Throw your mats right back into the cupboard or wherever you want to store them. Our nori. Toasted seaweed. You've got two sides. You've got a glossy, shiny, smooth side, and then you've got a duller, rougher, abrasive side. You want to think RR, rough rice. You're applying your rice to the rough side. That abrasiveness is going to help you spread that rice around. Now you can also see, if I hold at an angle here, see those lines that are on there? That's the old traditional way when they stamp these, when they make them. It's supposed to show you where to make your cuts. You don't really need to worry about that. I'm going to show you where to make.
This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. One more time.
I just wanna chill and twist the lie. Catch stunts in my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty. I need to see you and feel you next to me. I provide everything you need, and I like your smile. I don't wanna see you cry. Got some questions that I gotta ask, and I hope you can come up with the answers, baby. Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down?
So you guys, we just got back from our cooking class. How do you think it was? I beat Carlson in the sushi making.
I think it was about 50-50, honestly.
Well, I was joking when I said that. I was being sarcastic.
Yeah.
Actually, the first one, as y'all seen, it was
destroyed.
a fail. And he was trying to sit up here and tell me how to cut.
So basically, all I was trying to say to her was that, so she knows how to cook naturally, but she was cooking the sushi rolls as if she was cutting a steak, and she was smushing it.
You said cooking.
What? She was cutting.
I feel like you were trying to say cutting, but then you said cooking.
Okay, cutting. She was trying to cut the sushi roll as if she was cutting a steak. You're supposed to cut into it first before you commit to fully cutting it, because if you just cut with one slice, you're gonna destroy the sushi. So that's what I was trying to tell her. But you know, I think she's just such a natural cook that she just doesn't want to hear you tell her what she doesn't know how to do.
I think that's with a lot of stuff though.
Probably.
But the cooking class was great. I will put everything in the
Description below. I should have a YouTube because she don't know what she be talking about.
I get like tongue twisted. So I will have everything in the description down below as to location, the name, and our instructor's name. I think they have an Instagram page, don't they?
I'm not necessarily sure. But if
I'd
you want to
assume
find
so.
it, it's called Foodology. It's in Toledo, Ohio. Okay, it's on Lasky Road. If you can't find it from there, you wasn't meant to go there. So this is Michelle Cardage.
No! That's not government!
I don't know. Well, fuck it. We got to start it over.
Oh.
Anybody can fucking...
You guys, we made it back from the cooking class. This is one of the cupcakes that the other couples made. This is a green tea cupcake and it has cream cheese frosting on it. Y'all, it is so good. Like, the frosting is like really light and it's not super sugary. Like, it's really good. And then I have a bottle of wine that I'm going to be drinking tonight. This is the Headliner by Press Play Wines. Never had it. I'm probably going to watch like a little bit of Netflix and chill. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.